Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide category in WooCommerce products page. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are in the admin panel of WordPress. After that, we will need just to use some either some modification in the code, or you can simply use some plugins that would allow us to have the product category that would be deleted. So simply we can first to have we can simply go to the products, and from there we can go to the categories, and basically we can just delete all the categories and make them deleted, and basically you won't have any category that would start appearing for your category, or you can simply edit it and then go for the display options, and we can have them to be either for products or subcategories or whatever you like. Another way to do it is just by go to the plugins, and after that we will need just to have this plugin that will allow us to remove cart function. So I'm just going to type cart functions, and we will need just to search for this one. So let's go to add new plugin, and after that I'm just going to search for this one, and I'm just going to install this one. And this is a plugin that would allow us to disable many things or many items of our cart functions. So basically you can either hide the status, quantity, add to cart button, the price, and whatever you like. So as you can see, you can have any item that you would like, and you can have it disabled. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.